Hi friends, Adele here from Go Balak. Welcome back to my channel. We're finally on video 3 of my 3-video series in the Dominican Republic. In the first video, we looked at Dreams La Romana. In the second video, we looked at Jewel Punta Cana. And today we're looking at Catalonia Bavaro. If you're curious about all the videos I've posted, I've finally organized my YouTube channel into playlists. I now have a Dominican Republic playlist, a Mexico playlist, USA cities playlist, other ones, and lots of videos on resort life and hotels will be added. So more content coming your way. Hopefully you find some helpful information when you're booking that Caribbean or US city getaway. So thanks so much for hitting that like button, subscribing, following. Now let's get back to the video here. So as you saw on the label, we're looking at a Privilege Deluxe Junior Suite room. We landed a room with a king-size bed. What you can expect is a comfortable room that was fairly recently updated, but it's not a full renovation. It's comfortable, it's not luxurious, it's not premium, but it's easy like Sunday morning. It has everything you need for a perfect beach getaway. To enhance your vacation, I'd recommend bringing your own toiletries and maybe packing an iPad and downloading some movies. I will say the TV connection here isn't great and the channels aren't that exciting, so if you like to go to bed watching a movie or catching up on your Netflix, bring an iPad, connect to the Wi-Fi, and enjoy. To go over some things you'll find in your room, there is a walk-in closet, which is a nice surprise. In the walk-in closet, you'll find a safe, an ironing board, an umbrella, slippers, and robes. In your room, you'll find a sitting area, a king-size bed or 2 double beds, a stocked mini fridge that's replenished daily, a coffee setup. Now, I know you saw the Brugal on the counter, but that's actually coming from another resort. And as a privileged guest, you get 24-hour room service. The food isn't fantastic, but my go-tos were the fruit salad, the french fries, and the roasted chicken. Even at the privilege level, I have to admit the rooms are not luxurious or premium, as I said, but it's comfortable and has everything you need. One of my most favorite parts about this room, though, was being on the first floor and having a hammock. I'm gonna stop yapping here for a bit and stop the music and let you guys enjoy the vibes. Okay, guys, I'm back to talk your ear off. I hope you enjoyed taking in some of the relaxing vibes. Now let's talk about a few things. First, the grounds are lush and tropical and they're beautiful. Definitely enhance your stay by going to the Zen Garden. There are animals there are nooks and crannies perfect for meditation, yoga, reading, just chilling out. Now let's talk about the food. The food I'd say is below average. The trick here is to pick the things that you know you'll most likely like. eggs, fruit, rice, chicken. Stick to the basics because the food is not that great to me. Now the drinks. The drinks aren't great either. I mean, it's liquor, right? So it'll do the job and get you relaxed. But whether you're a standard guest or privileged guest, I wouldn't expect premium brands. There are only a few perks of being privileged here. If you've stayed at a Catalonia at other places in the world, you may have seen an exclusive restaurant only for privileged guests. Not here. The perks are preferential room location, a beach bar, and a privileged beach area, and maybe 24-hour room service, but that's really dependent on whether they're offering it at the season that you're staying at this resort. So it's nice to have that privileged beach, right? Because there is beach waiter service and there are some Bali beds, but the waiter service doesn't come that often. I will say it's cool to have that beachside bar though. It stays open late, so you could come by after dinner and enjoy a nightcap. So that part was pretty cool. Before I go into some things not to miss about this resort, I have one tip that I forgot to share. Get up early in the morning, run over to the towel hut, and grab your towels for the entire family and lay out your towels on your preferred pool chairs. The towels run out often here, and the pool chairs go quickly, so definitely do that. Alright, so I'm going to end this video with some positive can't miss things about this resort. So one, the beach is lovely as you saw. There are soft waves, but if you don't love swimming around little fishies, it won't be your cup of tea. Another awesome thing is that the restaurants by the lobby are connected by these boarded pathways. Each venue feels like a standalone restaurant that would be off resort. There is also a hidden market area with shops and a coffee shop that also serves ice cream. Outside of the coffee shop, there's some seating and umbrellas, so when you hang out there, it feels like you're totally somewhere else. Good to know is that there are several gift shops and lots of nooks and crannies, so there's lots to explore at this resort. There's even another gift shop by the steakhouse. Find the steakhouse and you'll see a whole nother world of things over there. The lobby really comes alive at night, and this is the hub of the action. There's some night entertainment, but we didn't get a chance to participate. Overall, I'd rate this resort as a 3.5 star out of 5, and the overall experience is a 6.5 out of 10. If you're looking for a well priced tropical vacation, this is a good option. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Happy and safe travels. Bye for now.